This is my journey to Cambodia, a kingdom of wonder. Throughout my journey in Cambodia, my aim was to immerse myself with their culture and historical value here. I started my trip from Siem Reap. It's a quiet city with less people. Most of the travelers come to Siem Reap is to visit the magnificent Angkor. Angkor Wat is a massive temple complex built in 12th century. It is world's largest religious structure and marks the high point of Khmer architecture. Originally built as an Hindu temple dedicated to the god Vishnu, it was converted into the Buddhist temple in the 14th century. It was declared as UNESCO World Heritage in 1992. If you plan to catch the beautiful sunrise, advisable for you to be there at 5 in the morning, and the one-day pass is cost you around $37. I spent almost half day to unwind myself to all the temples around the Angkor Wat. It was really amazing to walk around those massive complexes. Phnom Penh is the vibrant, bustling capital of Cambodia. Even it's considered one of the low-paced building capital among other Southeast Asia countries. Actually, it has thousands stories to share to the world. It's so wonderful to see how a country that has gone through a nightmare during the Khmer regime now is starting to build their new life again. It is a must for you to go to the Tonle Sap Lake and get a ride on a boat. This lake is one of the most unique ecological water wonder in the world. It is the largest freshwater lake in Southeast Asia. Actually, this lake is connected to the Mekong River. You can see beautiful floating village and lots of aquatic habitat too. And it just costs you around $5. Not many knows who is Pol Pot. Not long back, about 30 years ago, Pol Pot and Khmer regime systematically killed up to 3 million people. The people of Cambodia had to live in fear, knowing that they might be the next. There were more than 150 of these execution centers across the country. One of the most brutal, Tol Slang, was a former school that transformed into a factory of death. This is one of the killing fields where the people of Cambodia were killed brutally. In 1980, the remains of 9,000 people were exhumed from the mass grave, and many of these skulls now sit here in a memorial stupa. Every step you take in this killing field actually opens your mind how bad they were suffering.